Hi everyone, this is a quick procedure to do a small modification on a T40 stereo microscope so that you're going to be able to use 2x lenses attached to the zoom body. So the first thing that you need is an Allen key with a, probably in my case is a 2.5 millimeter Allen key. So this one should fit your stereo microscope as well. There might be some slight differences depending on the batch that it's been manufactured. Mine is a older one, so I'm assuming yours might be the same size. So the first thing that you need to do is obviously loosen these screws so that you can remove the zoom body from the microscope and put it aside. You may want to remove the ring like this adapter that is on the bracket as well, and the goal here is to remove 3 screws that hold the bracket in place and flip the bracket upside down by 180 degrees, and that way it's going to give you an additional 3 inches of movement, and you should therefore be able to get closer to the samples and make a proper focus. So I will go ahead. I've already removed 2 screws from the bracket, and I will remove the last one. And I flip it around so it should be facing down like this. Okay. So the middle screw is going to be used to hold the bracket in place. Depending the years of manufacturers, some of them has additional holes so that you could put in back the 2 additional screws. Yours might be slightly different, and it's possible that you're going to be able to use just a single screw to hold it in place. Make sure that you tighten it strongly, and then you had the ring in place, and you put back the zoom body, and you attach your 2x lens. Obviously this way it's gonna go much lower to the working area, and you shouldn't have any difficulties doing your focus. Thank you for joining. Bye.